talking about sneezing, why we sneeze, what causes sneezes, and what we should do for sneezing, and what happens when we're sneezing. I'm Ammon Grady, and with that, let's get right into the video. I think it's cool that not everybody sneezes the same amount of times or for the same reasons, and that it tells us why we sneeze when we look at the sun or when we're around a bright light, because it's called pathic. That's what I'm pretty sure they said. And that is pretty cool because I never knew why we sneeze when we were around the sun or something bright. And that is the end of the video. I'll see you next time. Have a blast.